conditioning routine for you guys because I thought about the last time I actually did one, or if I have even done one before. I know that Kelsey's done one for you guys, but I figured if I can't even remember if I did one or not, then this would probably be a good time to film one for you guys. So I decided to do that today and show you the exact steps I do when I'm deep conditioning my hair. I do this routine once a week, and I feel like it's very necessary to maintain healthy hair, or if you have damaged hair, to get healthier hair. So I highly recommend deep conditioning, adding that into your hair routine. I personally think that you will see a huge difference because I know I have over the years of incorporating deep conditioning into my hair routine, and this is what I've been doing. Of course, the actual deep conditioner that I use in the video is not the exact same one I use every time, but it is one of my favorites. I do switch up my products often, especially when I run out really fast, because I go through a deep conditioner quite often. So I do have a few favorites. If you guys are interested in some of mine and Kelsey's other favorite deep conditioners, I highly recommend going to check out our video that we talked about deep conditioners that help us bounce back to natural curls. So that video is all of our most recent favorites when it comes to deep conditioner. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now so that we can get into the deep conditioning routine. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I always start with my hair freshly washed, and I divide it into 4 sections like always. And this is the deep conditioner that I'm using for this video. I'm using the BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I love this, one of my favorites. And I'm just going to start at the very back of my hair like I do when I apply product to my hair when I'm doing a wash and go. So I just finger rake the product through, working it evenly into every strand. And a better way to do this I found is using this Cocoa and Eve brush that came with the matching deep conditioner. It came with a deep conditioner. So I use this with all my deep conditioners, and it just glides through the hair so smooth and so easy, and it ensures that an even amount of product is in every section. So I found that my hair comes out a lot better and even more soft when I do this step. So I've been adding this into it, and just using that brush just makes the biggest difference. And I just love how detangled my hair is and smooth, and it's like the perfect prep for when I go in to do a wash and go, like style my hair with styling products. So it just makes it a lot easier, and I'm of course going to be doing these exact same steps in every section. So this is going to get kind of repetitive, but I feel like the more you see each section being done, then you can better, understand what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, So after I'm done applying the deep conditioner to my entire head, I'm just going to gather all of my hair and put it into a loose bun and add a little plastic cap to it to trap the heat in there, because heat makes the deep conditioning process work a lot better for me. It just makes it more effective, and I feel it makes a difference. And I'm not going to stop there. Now I'm going to apply this Peter Thomas Roth, I like to call it a deep conditioning helmet. I know this looks crazy and it's a weird contraption, but I'm telling y'all, it works. You can also get these kind of things at Sally's as well. I just turn on the little hair dryer. It comes with a blow dryer attachment, and I do this for about 30 minutes. And then once I'm done, I just rinse out the deep conditioner and then go ahead with my regular routine. Whatever wash and go I decide to do, then that's what I do. And then my hair just comes out really soft and defined and healthy. And yeah, let me know if you guys are gonna try this version of a deep conditioning routine out, because it's been working for me and I highly recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.